Hi, there's three things I'll suggest that we all think about when we're managing retained lens material as a retina specialist. Number one, don't pull on the retained lens material in the back of the eye until you've confirmed that you have a PVD and removed most of the vitreous. Number two, irrigating the anterior chamber and the sulcus is really important to flush out small fragments of retained lens material, and I'll often do that early on in the case and then later in the case. And then number three, after you've done a complete vitrectomy, I'll encourage you to scleral depress, particularly the inferior 180 degrees. It's amazing how many times there's little fragments or chips of material on the pars plana, and if we don't remove those now, it'll lead to CME later.